Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you how to fix a frayed cable and to make it last longer. First, you want to grab some straw and cut it to about that long, and then cut down the inside like so, and then you just put your cable in just like that. And then you go ahead and take some tape. In this case, I'm using electrical tape. Cut off a piece of your electrical tape, or whatever tape you're using, and simply just put the tape right around here. Then you get another piece of tape and put this piece right there. And now your cable might last you an extra month or two, and you don't have to buy a new one.